Hello everyone, welcome to TechLab YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a sharing folder and network printer. This printer you can share the multiple computer. They can access and print. First of all, I'm going to assign the computer IP address. Open the control panel. In the desktop there is no control panel. I'm going to create an icon and right click, go to the personalize and go to themes and the desktop icon settings. Select that. The desktop icon setting module, I'm going to select the users file and network and control panel and click OK and close this module. And here you can see the control panel icon came. I'm going to open the control panel, then select network and sharing center and change adapter setting. And here there are 4 network adapters available in my system. Okay, so you have to check your own PC which adapter is connected to the Ethernet. Okay, that particular adapter you have to assign the IP address. Okay, so I'm going to use my system the Wi-Fi adapter. Right click, select properties and the IPv4 select and use the following IP address, and you can create your own range IP address. And now in my case 192.168.1.205. okay, and the subnet mask is default. I'm going to click OK and close this module. Then after that I'm going to right click this PC and select manage. In the computer management console you can see local users and groups. I'm going to expand the user. Then manually I'm going to enable the administrator account. Right click and go to properties and uncheck account is disabled. Okay, then apply and OK. Then right click again the same user and set password, proceed and type your password and confirm. OK, the password has been set. Now we can check the account is enabled. So after set the password you have to restart your computer. I'm going to restart my computer. So after the restart I'm going to create a folder for sharing and right click, go to new and folder. In the folder name test files. Then after right click and go to properties and sharing and advanced sharing and share the folder and select the permissions. This is everyone permission I select for this purpose, everyone. Then click OK and apply, click OK and close. Now right click again and properties. Remember this is the network path for this folder. Then after I'm going to open the control panel and network and sharing center and select the change advanced sharing setting and expand the all networks. And here you can see the turn on sharing, so anyone with network access can read option you have to turn on. I'm going to click save changes. So second steps, I'm going to open the user computer. Okay, then I'm going to open the Windows 10 machine. This is the user. I'm going to access the sharing folder where we created in the Windows 10 machine. So go to the run command, press Windows button and R, and here you have to type PC name or the IP address we have created in the Windows 10 machine. Okay, so I'm going to type // 192.168.1.205, then okay. Here when you enter the IP address, enter your credentials to connect computer sharing folders. So I'm going to enter the administrator and type the password we have created, then remember checkbox, and when you enter the credential you will get the test files. Okay, I'm going to right click and map network drive, then after that finish, then double click this PC and you can see the sharing folder you can access in this PC window. I'm going to double click and the folder is empty. I'm going to create it, the test document. You know why the error? It's because while we creating the permission in the Windows 10, we have applied only read-only permissions. Okay, so we can change the permission. Go to the Windows 10 machine and right click the test file and properties and go to the sharing and advanced sharing permissions, and here you have to select change, okay, and apply and click OK and apply and OK. Then again go back to the Windows 10 user machine and try again. You can create your files. Now I'm going to create the folder, docs folder. Then you can see in the Windows 10 machine, open the test files and you can see here the docs folder and the text document appear here. I'm going to type this is sharing file folders. To save this file, then again go back to the Windows user machine and now open the text document, and now you can see the file and folder we have created. So like this, the sharing folder you have to create, the follow up the steps. And the next I'm going to sharing the printer, how to share the printer. Let's go back to the Windows 10 machine again and go to the settings, and in the desktop there is a control panel options. Double click and go to the devices and printers. In this machine I have a printer which is HP Lysejet Pro M127 series. Okay, this printer I'm going to share the multiple user. So I'm going to right click and there is a printer properties, and the printer properties select sharing and share this printer. Okay, so if you want to change the printer name you can. So in this case I'm going to type the IP address also, 192.168.1.205. this is not mandatory, so I'm going to click apply, then OK, and select the advanced. Now you can see here this printer is available always. Okay, so if you want to set the time, select the printer online hours, morning 6 a.m. to evening 6 o'clock, and this select PM and apply and OK. If you want select always available, you can 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. this printer available for sharing. Okay, so then after that click apply, then OK, and now you can see the printer is shared. You can see the symbol. Okay, then now I'm going back to the user end machine, and I will show you right now whether the printer user PC is connected or not. No any other configuration is done in this machine. I'm going to select the printer, devices and printers, and here you can see there is no devices connected. What I am going to do is go to the start menu and type run and type CMD and hit enter and ping the printer computer, which is 192.168.1.205. Now this machine is pinging with printer computer. Open the control panel and devices and printers and select add a printer. Select the printer that I wasn't listed. Select that options, and you have to select a shared printer by name. So you have two options. You can browse, and when you browse the printer, you can see the sharing is turned off. Some network computers and devices might not be visible to change, for click to change. Okay, so I'm going to click on that option and turn on network discovery and sharing. Select on that. Once you select, here you have to enter // and 192.168.1.205. you have to enter the IP address and select. Now you can see the printer is available here. We have a shared in the Windows 10 machine, and select, and after that I'm going to click next and select yes, and you can see here the IP address of the computer which we created in the Windows 10 machine. Okay, this is the printer, and the name we have created like this, and click next, click a finish, and now you can see you have a successfully added HP LaserJet printer. Okay, and the IP address of the computer, and now you can see the printer is added. I'm going to right click and set as a default and click OK, and now the green color check mark is there, and we have a successfully added the network printer to the multiple users. Okay, so same method you have to follow other user. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to send the print command, and right click and printer properties, and here you can see the test print. When you click the test print, the printer will start on your computer. And the other way, I'm going to print with the WordPad. Click start menu and type WordPad, because I don't have in this PC Microsoft Office, so instead I'm going to print in the WordPad. I'm gonna type here test print, go to the file and click print, and you can see now the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 127 series, by default the printer selected. It's because I will show you now. Open the control panel and select device and printers, and right click the printer and set as a default. We have already done. That's why the printer on the green color, the by default the selected. Okay, so I'm going to click a print. The print will start in my computer. Okay, this is the way how to create a sharing folder and the printer sharing. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel. See you in the next video.